Hi, this is Ellen. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here, and happy Foundation Friday. So basically we're doing a foundation. Now it has been around for a little while, but I have never tried it, and a lot of you guys swear by it. So let's do this. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. I love doing these because this is how I found the Bare Minerals original powder that I now wear like all the time because I absolutely love it. So trying foundations that you guys have been wearing for a while, and I just have never gotten around to trying it. So today we're talking about Milk Makeup. This is called Sunshine Tint. And you know, a funny story is that when I used to be a senior artist back at Sephora many years ago, or not many years ago, but a couple years ago, this was a very, very popular product. But the problem is that it is super messy. Like whenever, and I know it's like whenever people are testing and stuff, but the delivery system is very messy. So I already knew that in advance, just a heads up. All right, so you ready? This product is, let me show you. This product, okay, Sephora app. This product is $42 and it has a really pretty shade range, absolutely. It is a light coverage and it is silicone free, and this formula is a little bit different than the original one. It is a new and improved formula and it gives lightweight coverage. It has Coral Safe, which I love, SPF in it, but of course we're not going to rely on this for SPF, but it does have Reef Safe SPF 30. All right, so how you use this is you basically pump it, and then just once they say, and then you put it all over the skin, okay? And then they say to blend it in with your hands, your sponge, your brush, whatever works. The hands are better for this type of thing, just FYI. Now again, you have to remember, this is also great for kind of normal to dehydrated skin because it has natural oils in it. Now the one thing I will say, if you are sensitive to citrus oils, they're not super high on the ingredient list, but this probably would not be for you. So if you have citrus allergies or sensitive to that, this would not be the foundation for you. So this is the first pass, just real quickly. I think it's gorgeous. Now the one thing I do know is that you don't want to overhydrate the skin before you put this on. Now of course you want to do your hydrating skin routine, but I didn't overhydrate. So for example, I kept the layers of my serums really light. I kept the application of my moisturizer very light. I used like a gel-based moisturizer, and then of course I used my regular sunscreen, which today I have on the Josie Maran Untinted SPF on underneath this. I did give my sunscreen about 10 to 15 minutes to really sink in. That's also going to be really important when you're using something like this so it doesn't slip and slide all over the face. There are no claims of this foundation to be long wearing or anything like that, but look how pretty it is. I'm in medium, by the way. That is the color that I chose for myself, and it is beautiful. I think it's a very, very light coverage, okay? So this is something literally you throw on, throw some cream blush on, you know, mascara, lip gloss, and out the door. That's exactly what this is. Okay, but it says if you want more coverage, let the first application sit for a bit and then go in and do it again. And this is not going to give you super high coverage, but it's going to give you a little bit more. My big thing is I don't like the delivery system. It's hard to use. But this ball in here is glass, just FYI, for sanitation reasons. Glass is a great option. There we go. Okay, so we're doing the exact same thing, and this actually honestly will go great over your underneath your eyes because it's very hydrating and it's not going to be cakey. And it is so incredibly quick. Wow. Very good. Okay. Now, look at, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Wow. I mean, this might have to be one that I'm also going to wear. Like, look at that. Look at the glow on the skin. Yes, it does not hide my imperfections, but it definitely, let me scoot in, but it definitely looks like skin. I'm not seeing any pulling or tugging on the skin. It looks very, very pretty. I love this. Looks great under the eyes, by the way. No weird patches or anything like that. Yeah, this is beautiful. You guys are so right. Okay, so for me personally, what I would do is I would just, like I said, put on some cream blush mascara and go out the door. Obviously put a little bit of concealer on, but what we're gonna do is we're going to set this just a touch, and I'm gonna be using my Kosas Cloud Powder, and I think that'll give this a little bit more staying power and just a touch more coverage. Yes, this is pretty. And of course we'll go into natural light we always do, but let me finish my makeup. Okay, love, so everything is on. Look, it looks so good. I'm impressed. It's very pretty, glowy, beautiful. Again, I just set it with the Kosas powder. The reason why we set it with this is it's baked, so it's not gonna take away a ton of the glow. Now, if you're more combination or oily and still want to use this foundation, set it with a more of a regular or a standard translucent powder. So yeah, so if you wanna wear this and you are a little bit more oily, set it with a more of a traditional setting powder. But loves, I am super into this, and it feels completely weightless. It is a vegan product, and I can't even tell I have anything on, and I think it really did a nice job on just evening out the skin. So let's go to natural light and see what y'all think. All right, here we are in natural light. I'll let you see. I love it. I think it looks really, really pretty on the skin. Of course, it's not going to cover up all my imperfection, which is no big deal. That's okay. But it does look really, really pretty on the skin, and I love it. So we are going to give this just a little bit of wear test just to see how long it does and how it wears and how long it will wear. It is literally almost 100 degrees outside, so it's going to get its work out for sure. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Hi, this is me post editing this video. I noticed that the rest of the video did not record. I am so sorry. So I'm just popping on here to let you know kind of how it worked. I wore it for 7 hours, and it's not long wearing. It very much wore off the rest of the day, and it's definitely for someone that to me is maybe a younger person or someone that just wants a no makeup look and just wants something easy breezy that they don't have to worry about streaking or whatever. It did come off on a few things, so it is a pretty foundation. It absolutely is. But it is, it just has no staying power. I don't need it to last like 12, 13 hours. But even at about hour 4 or 5, it started just to kind of show through everything. And that's for me. For me, I don't love that. I would like it to last a little bit longer. So, am I glad I have this foundation? The Milk Sunshine Tint? Yes. But I'll be wearing it more like to the beach, or you know what I mean? Something like that where I just want a little bit of coverage, and I'm actually totally fine if it kind of fades away throughout the day. Let me know if you guys wear this foundation. Let me know how you like it, how maybe I need to wear it differently to make it last longer. But anyway, thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.